In today's video, we are going to be cash stuffing some of our challenges. If this is content you're interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty guys, in today's video, I believe I have $25. Let me check real quick. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. Alright, so what we are going to do is cash stuff some of these minis and see if we can complete any today. I believe self-care only needs 3, so we'll see how it works out. We are only going to use 1 bill at a time. We have a couple $2 bills, 3 to be exact, so we're going to put them in there and let's get started, guys. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing well. This video is actually being pre-recorded because this upcoming week is going to be busy. We have Aaliyah performing at 3 events, or I should say 4 events because there's 2 on one day, with her drumline group, so I'm excited for her. And we have graduation coming up. We've got a last day of school party for Jade. Guys, it's just going to be busy. So I said, let me give this a try. Let me try and do a couple of videos ahead of time so that I can post them and still share some content with you guys while I'm running around. Alrighty, guys, let's start this now and let's see how much we can. Well, we can only save $20, but let's see if we can finish some of these challenges. How are you all doing? It is Sunday here today. You guys probably won't see this till Tuesday, but it is a beautiful, beautiful day. I have not yet made it to Sam's Club, so that is on my to-do list. So let's see if we make it there today, which I don't want to because I know it's going to be so crowded. All right, so let's get started. We are going to we're only going to do 1 bill at a time since we only have $20. 4. All righty. 2. 3. Okay, self-care got a little bit of love. We only need 2 more. We needed that. 4. 5. Okay, looks like everybody's going to be getting some love. Let's hope 6 gets some love. And 1. And there we go. All right, I'm happy because everybody got a little bit of love. Or maybe not. Oh, wait, no, guys. Maria, you're using the wrong die. First of all, this is 6 over here. And we got to use this die because I have 8 categories. Alrighty. That's 4. 7. Oh, 7 got 2. Alrighty. 3. Oh, self-care only needs $1, guys. 4. 2. We're gonna get everything but 3. 6. Come on. 8. 7. And 6. All right, so we didn't get to complete 1 today, but that is okay. At least we are saving some money. Let me get these pencils over here. So, oh wait, I need my markers. Let's switch up the color. So for groceries, we saved $1. Alrighty, and guys, these, I'm gonna let y'all know in a minute who these are from. Let's see, because I do have it written down. In one of them, I'm just not sure which one it is. All right, so we've got 2 going into this one here. Now this money, even though we have specific categories, we're going to put all this money into our sinking funds. And I have a little pouch, guys, that I'm going to be using to put these in until I'm done the entire challenge. So that's something different that I'm going to be doing the second half. Some of my challenges, particularly this one here, we are not going to cash stuff as we finish. We are going to put the money in a pouch, which I gotta show you. Here it is. This was gifted to me for Mother's Day. It comes with 2 of them. So this one here, I think is the perfect size to put my completed challenges. Unfortunately, we won't be using it today, but that's okay. All right, so we're going to put this one here. And we've got 2 here. 2. All right, so we only need 1 to finish this one here, and that's okay. I'm pretty sure we'll finish it. It's from G Gal's Boutique on Etsy, guys, if anybody is interested in these here. All right, so we've got $5 for vacation. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna get to color 5 more today. All right, so we now have $15 in this one here. Moving right along, we have $2 going into this one here. Birthdays has 7. All right, so that's 7 going into this one here. We need $7 to finish this one here. School is getting $3 today. All righty. So this one now has $5 in it. And lastly, we've got rainy day. Rainy day only gets 1. And that is it, guys. Even though we did not get to complete anything today, we have this one here is almost done. It's coming along, guys. It's coming along. And again, what I'm going to do is as I complete these, I'm just going to take them out and put them in here. And then when I'm done all of them, we will be taking all this money and putting it towards our sinking funds. That's something that I'm doing just a little bit different, because normally I would put the money into my sinking funds as I completed each challenge. But again, this is the second half of the year, so we're going to try to do things a little different. Alrighty, guys, I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you're having a blessed week. You're having beautiful weather. And most importantly, you're taking care of yourselves. I might be MIA for a couple of days. It all depends. I'm not sure what things are going to be looking like, but I will be thinking of you guys. I love you all. Take care, stay blessed, and we will be chatting soon.